Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the new lesson of maths, data representation. Children, data representation is used to draw the data either by drawing the pictures or by bar graph or by using the bar graphs. These are the columns or the graphs, bar graphs. These are used to represent the data, and also this data representation is used to read the data also. If the data is represented like this or this, by seeing the data we can study the data, that is we can collect the data. Okay, see, in the data representation there are two types. Data can be represented by using pictographs or by using this bar graph. This is a pictograph and this one is the bar graph. Data can be prepared using this pictograph also and by this bar graph also. Pictograph means, children, here pictures are used to represent the data. Label should be written on one side and pictures are used to represent the data. And here in the bar graph, these bars or columns are used to represent the data. Let's see few examples. Let's see this one example. Study this example. Raj collected 5 marbles, Sujal collected 7 marbles, and Rohit collected 4 marbles. When we write the number of different objects in a given group, we call it data. See, 3 of them have collected marbles, but Raj collected 5 marbles, Sujal collected 7 and Ronit collected 4 marbles. This we can show by drawing the pictograph or in the bar graph also. Let's see how to show. Write the name of the boys one side and number of marbles collected here in this column. See, here name of the boys are Raj, Sujal and Ronit, and the number of marbles collected 5, 7 and 4. We can also represent this data by drawing pictures. It is called pictograph. If the data is represented by using the pictures, then it is called pictograph. Now see this pictograph. Here the labels are the 3 names. Here in the bar graph or in the pictograph, the label should be written one side and scales on the others. In pictograph, scales will not come. In bar graph, the scales will come. Here we need to write the scales, that is numbers. From where to where numbers you want to write, that you have to write here, and the labels you should write like this here. These are the labels and these are the scales, that is number of marbles they have collected. Let's see this pictograph first. Here they have written the labels, and in every data representation the title must be important. You should write the title first. The title means the main headline. The title is marbles collected. They have collected the marbles. 3 of them have collected the marble sets. So the title is marbles collected. Now write the labels one side and draw the columns like this. And in the pictograph, here key is used. Key means it shows the value of each objects which you are going to draw here. Now see, here they have collected the marbles, so they have drawn the marbles here, and 1 marble is equal to 1 rupees, or it can be amount or the value or the number. Here 1 marble means 1. If they have given this 1 marble is equal to 2, means the value of 1 marble will be 2. But they have given here key 1 marble is equal to 1. The value of 1 marble is 1. Now see here, how many marbles Raj has collected? Raj has collected 5. So one marble means, this one marble means the value of this is 1. So draw here 5 marbles. This shows that Raj has collected 5 marbles, because title we have written here, marbles collected. Yes, the title is marbles collected. If they have sold the marbles, then marbles sold. Like this, you need to write the title first. Here marbles collected, Raj has collected 5 marbles, so they have drawn 5 marbles. And Sujal has collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marbles. Sujal has collected 7 marbles here. So you need to draw the 7 marbles here. And Ronit has collected 4 marbles. So they have drawn the 4 marbles here. This is the pictograph. By studying this pictograph, you can write the data here like this. If they have given only this much, that is this pictograph only, then if they ask you to collect the data, read the data and write, then you must be able to write like this. Okay. Now we'll see the bar graph. We can also represent the data, above data, using the bar graph. We color the blocks equal to the number of marbles. Study this bar graph. This is pictograph. This is a bar graph. In both the graph, you must write only. And the title is marbles collected. So the labels are Raj, Sujal and Ronit here. And the number of marbles are between 0 to 10. Yes. See here, number of marbles are 5, 7 and 4. So they have taken 0 to 8 here. Now see, Raj has collected 5 marbles. You need to draw this column till this 5 only in the bar graph. Here you will draw the pictures, and here you need to draw the columns till this 5. And Sujal has collected 7 marbles. So this shows that 7 marbles Sujal has collected. Now Ronit has collected, see here, go here and check this line 4. We have to understand by this Ronit has collected 4 marbles like this. Now we'll study these examples. See first one example. Minty collected flowers from the garden for 4 days. She wanted to remember the number of flowers she collected each day. She drew a pictograph. Let us read the graph and find the number of flowers collected each day. See here, Minty has collected flowers for 4 days, and each day she has collected the flowers and she has represented it into the pictograph. Let's read the data. Flowers collected by Minty. First day, how many flowers she has collected? How to read the data? By counting the flowers here or the pictures. Here flowers are given, so we'll count the flowers, and you should see the key first. Each flower is equal to 1. The value of one flower is 1. So 1 flower means 1. Second flower is 1. Another one means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first day she has collected 9 flowers. By counting the flowers, we can read the data here. And second day of the week, she has collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. And third day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers she has collected. And fourth day of the week, she has collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers. So write like this. Now let's answer these questions. Minty collected flowers for dash days. How many days? She has collected flowers for 4 days. Now second question is, the flowers collected each day of the week were, first day how many flowers she has collected? 9. Second day 7 flowers. Third day 8 flowers. And fourth day 6 flowers. Write the answers like this. Now third one, total flowers collected in 4 days. Now we need to write the total flowers collected in all the 4 days by adding these all the flowers or counting the all the flowers. Now we can find the total flowers collected in all the 4 days by counting these flowers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. So 30 flowers she has collected for 4 days, in 4 days. Now children, second question is Anita, Amrita, Anna and Arnaz purchased cooking oil cans from Ideal Department Store. Count the cans in each row. Write the answers. Here Anita, Amrita, Anna and Arnaz have purchased cooking oil from the Ideal Department Store and they have given the represented the data in the form of pictograph. Now we need to read this pictograph and answer the questions. See here, this is the title, cooking oil cans, and key is each can is equal to 2 liters. Now these sums we have seen, each image is equal to or picture is equal to the value of one picture is 1. Here also the value of one picture is 1, but here the value of one picture is 2. We have to check the key first. The value of each this can is, one can is 2 liters. Now while answering, while writing the answers, we need to remember the value of one can. The key is 1 can is equal to 2 liter. So let's read the data now. Anita, count how many cooking oil cans she has purchased. 1 2 3 4 5. So write here 5. So children, the value of one can is 2. Then what is the value of these 5 cans? We need to multiply this 5 with 2. Then we will get the value of these 5 cans in which each can is equal to 2 liters. Okay, 5 2s are 10. So the value of these cans are 10 liters. Here you can directly also you can solve. See here, one can is 2 liters. Then second is again 2 liters. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2, 2. This is also 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes. So the value of these 5 cans is equal to 10 liters. Like this also we can do, or we can multiply these numbers by 2. Whichever key they have given, from that number we need to multiply. If they have given the division sum, then we have to divide. If they have given addition, then we need to add. Okay. Now check Amrita, how many cans she has purchased. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6, and each can is equal to 2 liter. So 6 2s are 12. So she has purchased 12 liters. Now Anna, 1 2 3 4. She has purchased 4 cans and each can is equal to 2 liters. So 4 2s are 8. She has purchased 8 liters. 8 liters of oil. Now next one, Arnaz. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 he has collected. Each can is equal to 2. So 7 2s are 14 liters. Arnaz has collected, purchased the oil. Now next question is, how many liters of oil did they purchase altogether? Now we have to find out how many liters of oil they have collected altogether. Now count these cans. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. 22 cans they have purchased, and each can is equal to 2. So multiply 2 with this 22. 2 2s are 4 and again 2 2s are 4. So 44 liters they have collected all together. Sorry, they have purchased all together. Or else you can add these numbers, then you will get the answer. In both the ways you can do. See, Anita has collected 10 liters. Amrita has collected 12 liters. Anna has collected 8 and Arnaz has collected 14. If you add these all 4, then you will get 44 liters. Let's add and check once again. 10 plus 12 plus 8 plus 14. Add the numbers. 8 plus 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 44. 44 liters of oil they have purchased in all. They have purchased 44 liters of oil altogether. Now children, study these third and fourth one pictographs and write the answers. Check the keys properly what they have given, and read the data, write the answers and send me. Okay, both the pictographs you have to study and write the answers and send. Okay, thank you.